Hello children, today we are going to do class 5 English grammar chapter 14, that is articles book exercise. Children, I have already explained you articles. Do you remember? Okay. We will do a bit of revision also before doing book exercise. So let us see. First we will see what are articles. Students, you know that an article is a word that comes before a noun. Okay, that modifies a noun. So articles are used to point out the people or things. There are two types of articles, children. Indefinite article, that is a or an, and second is indefinite articles, that is the. First we will read what are indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite articles. They are used when we are not talking of any person or thing in particular. They are used with singular countable nouns. For examples, she always wanted to be a singer. Her mother is also an artist. I bought a pen and an eraser from a shop. Children, see here it's written A is used before words then begin with a consonant sound. Example, a busy person, a table, a university. Why a university? Because it has the sound of a consonant. A 1 rupee coin. O is a vowel. But why it's written A? Because it has the sound of a consonant. Children, I am not explaining everything again here because I have already explained you with many examples. So I am just reading it out, okay? An is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. Example, an unripe mango, an engineer, an hour, an honest person. You will say H is a consonant, then why we have written an? So here H is silent in R and honest, and these words have vowel sound. Okay, an MLA. When I am saying M, then it is giving the sound of AM. That is the sound of a consonant. So an MLA, sound of the, notice the sound of M here. Okay children, let us begin with the book exercise. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Children, see question number 1. Dash alligator. Alligator, it's giving sound of vowel A is here. So we will write an alligator is dash dangerous reptile. Children, D is here dangerous. It's giving consonant sound D. That is, an alligator is a dangerous reptile. Question number 2. Always keep dash dictionary in your bag. Again, dictionary is giving consonant sound. So, always keep a dictionary in your bag. Next, question number 3. This is dash important question. Children, important. It is giving the sound of a vowel. Important. I. That is why this is an important question. Let us see the next page. Let us move to the next page, children. Question number 4. He wants dash empty carton for craft activity. Children, empty. Again, it's giving sound of a vowel. So, an empty carton. They waited for dash ambulance. Ambulance, again it is giving sound of vowel. So an ambulance, and doctor is giving sound of a consonant. So a doctor to take care of the patient. I met dash Indian singers. Again Indian. Okay children, it is giving sound of a vowel. So I met an Indian singer and European. You will say E is vowel, so we will write an, but no, European. When we are saying European, it's giving sound of U, Y-O-U. So U is consonant. So and a European dancer. He took dash R. R again, H is silent. It is giving sound of a vowel. So an R and half. For half, we will write a because it is consonant. Half is giving consonant sound. To reach the venue. Number 8. She has dash foreign university degree. Foreign is giving you consonant sound, so she has a foreign university degree. Number 9. She has dash American university degree. Children, see here. Foreign was giving consonant sound. So we have written A. In the same way, American is giving consonants, vowel sound. So we will write an American university degree. Please give me dash 1 rupee coin. We have already discussed it in the example 1. Okay, it is giving consonant sign, consonant sound. 1, WON. So it is a 1 rupee coin. This incident gave me dash idea. Idea is giving vowel sound, idea. So an idea for a funny story. Have you read the story of a unicorn? Why again U? Y-O-U? It's giving sound of consonant. And an ogre, because ogre is giving vowel sound. There is also a movie. Movie is giving consonant sound. So a movie based on this story. He is a brave soldier. His father is an MLA. Why M is giving consonant sound? AM, am MLA. An MLA. She is an MP. Same reason. She is an honest, because H is silent. So it is giving sound of honest. O. Again it is vowel sound it is giving. So an honest politician. Let us move to definite article. The is the definite article. It is used when we refer to specific or particular things, okay, which is not general. See the example. Look at the girl, children, in red dress, because we are talking about particular girl, okay, because she is wearing a red dress. So we are talking about, look at the girl in red dress. She is my sister. So we are talking about a specific girl. Fine. Question number 2. He spilled the milk on the floor. Again, we are talking about specific milk, the milk at his home. Okay, so the milk. The is also used when we mention something again. When we are talking about someone again, like I have a storybook, any storybook, but when we will talk about storybook, the same storybook again, then we will write the. The storybook was gifted to me by my aunt. Number 2. They have some eggs. The eggs will be used in cake. First time we were talking about some eggs, but second time we were talking about the same eggs to be used. Now, the is also used before the superlative degree of comparison. Children, we have already learned 3 degrees of adjective. Okay, so for superlative degree, that is the highest degree of comparison, we use the. Like, this is the best book I've ever read. Okay, so we have used here the. See here, second number, who is the most important, who is the most intelligent student in class? Again we are using the superlative degree, so we have used the here. Next one, see this one. The is used before the names of unique things, children, which are unique, okay, which are not general. Like the sun rises in the east, we have only one sun, okay, so the sun. Number 2, the moon and the stars. Moon is only one, so we have used the. Stars, it's plural, so we have used the. Adorn the sky. Again, sky we have only one, okay, that is why we have written the. Fine. Now see the next one. The is used before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, famous buildings, holy books, newspapers, ships, trains, the name of countries, which indicate that the countries are made up of many parts, names of nationalities, religious communities, etc. Children. Okay. See the example. The Brahmaputra, it is a name of river. It is proper noun, so we have used the. The Arctic Ocean, the Red Sea, the Alps, the White House, the Zendavesta, the Indian Express, the Titanic, the Rajdhani Express, the USA, the UK, the Indians, the Hindus. So, the is also used with some words like the first, the last, the only, the next, etc. Let us move to the next page, children. Now again, fill in the blanks with suitable articles. And children, you have to put a cross mark where article is not used. So once upon a time, it's so common, there lived one-eyed monster. So what we will write? A one-eyed, because for one we have to use a monster in a castle, because we are talking about the castle for the first time. Children, see, dash monster. We are talking for the second time. Fine. So the monster was very cruel. He did not allow anyone to stay in the castle. Why? Because castle also we are talking for the second time. So the castle. Whoever tried, it's written tired, it's wrong. Whoever tried to enter the castle was killed by him. Children, before one day we don't write anything here. Okay, so cross it. An inquisitive boy, I is vowel giving vowel sound. So an inquisitive boy decided to see the castle from inside. He took dash long ladder. We are talking for the first time and it is giving consonant sound. So he took a long ladder and entered castle again. We are talking about this. We are talking third time, right? So the castle through a window. Why a window, children? Castle is so big. Okay, and there are so many windows. So there can be any window through which he can go inside. So through a window. What a horrible place it was. Horrible, it's giving consonant sound. So a horrible. There were there were skeletons of many animals. Children, we will not give any article here. There were skeletons of many animals, human beings in a room. Again, why a room? Because there were many rooms in this castle, because castle is very big. So maybe he has seen in any one of the room. The boy decided. Why the boy? Because boy we have already discussed before. To punish the monster, Mr. Sharma is again an MP. Why? Because M is giving vowel sound. He is an honest man, because H is silent. He is respected for his honesty. Before honesty, we will not write, children, any article, okay? But the MLA, why the, not an? Because we are talking about proper noun here, children. Let's see how. But the MLA of our area. We are talking about some particular person. Okay, particular area. So we will write the MLA of our area is not so good. Nowadays, he has gone to the UK. Just now we have read for attending a seminar. Question 3. Who is the? Why the? Because present Prime Minister, we are talking about some particular person. So, who is the present Prime Minister of India? Before names, okay, of country or name of a person, we don't write any article. So, India. Have you seen the Parliament House? Because Parliament House is only one at our place in India. At New Delhi, there will be no article before name of a place. I bought a unique. Why? Because you, again YOU, it is giving sound of consonant. Okay, so a unique watch and an antique. An is giving antique. It is giving sound of a vowel. So an antique plate photo frame for my friend. She liked the watch, because we are talking for the second time, and the photo frame. The Statesman is a widely circulated newspaper. Sixth number, they arrived at the last moment. Just now we have read the last, the first, the best, the most, okay? But wanted to have the best seat in the bus. Children, when we talk about uncountable or countable now in general, okay, we don't write any article. Like water is precious. We can talk about any water. Okay, so no article here. Don't waste even a single drop of water. 8 number, now we are talking about particular water, so we will write the water packed in this bottle is contaminated. 9 number, what a great performance, you are really a genius. It's an honor, okay, because again H is silent, O is giving sound of a vowel. To have such a friend like you, here we will write a friend. Okay, the school. Why? Because we are talking about your particular school. The school where we study is near my house. Question number 12. He is a lawyer. He practiced in the Supreme Court, because there is only one Supreme Court in the country. Children, question number Roman number 3. Circle the correct option. Okay, children, I did not get any option of circle, so I have crossed the wrong answer. So you do accordingly. Number 1. Dash orange that you ate was rotten. Children, we are talking about particular orange that you ate. So, the orange. He is dash eye specialist. Children, eye. It is giving sound of a vowel. So, an eye specialist. She was wearing dash golden dress that I had gifted her. Again, we are talking about some particular dress. So, the golden dress. Now, number 4. Have you ever seen dash ocean? Here we are talking about any ocean. So, an ocean, children. Dash Thames. Okay, we are talking about some particular river. Proper noun here. The Thames flow through London. He lives in a huge house. He was an absent-minded scientist. Why an absent? Because A is giving absent is giving sound of a vowel. It is an extremely cold day. Could you tell me the way to the main market? Children, could you tell me the way to the main market? Because we are talking about some particular way which only comes to the main market. Okay, so we are talking about proper noun here, some particular way or some particular main market, so we have used the here. We bought an LCD. Why LCD? It is giving sound of a vowel. Okay, so an LCD monitor for the computer, because suppose we are talking about our computer, we have only one computer at our home, so the computer, we have brought some LCD monitor for our computer. Now, tip of the day. We don't use the with proper nouns in general, but when we compare someone with someone else, okay, then we use the. Let's see how. Rohit is the Sachin Tendulkar of our team. Okay, here it is used as proper noun, children. Okay, Rohit is a boy, okay, who plays cricket so well that he is known as the Sachin Tendulkar of our team. So we have used here the. Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. Kashmir is so beautiful. It looks like Switzerland. So we have written yes, Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. We don't use articles with abstract children or material noun unless we particularize it. Okay. Example, we get wood from trees. Any wood. Okay. But we are not talking about your particular wood, so we have not used the. But see the second sentence, the wood used in this table is of good quality. Okay, this wood we have used for some proper wood. Okay, some table which the wood used in this table is of good quality. We have a table at our home, and that table is made up of some wood, so we are talking about that wood. Beauty is admired by all. It is abstract noun. Okay. But second sentence, the beauty of the Taj Mahal, we are talking about some particular thing. So the beauty of the Taj Mahal is world famous. Okay, error finding, children. Do you have? Okay, we have to cross the wrong answer and we have to write the correct answer. First one I have already done here. See here. Do you have a extra? Extra gives vowel sound. So please cut A and write an. Next one. He works in an famous firm. Famous is giving consonant sound. So a famous firm. So cross an and write A. Give me the little time, children. Cut the and write a. Question 4. It is unuseful information. Useful again you. Y-O-U. It is giving consonant sound. So cut an and write a. A gold ring that you were wearing is pretty. We are talking about some particular thing, children. Particular ring. Okay, so cut a and write the gold ring. I want to be an astronaut. A is giving vowel sound astronaut, children. So cut A and write an astronaut. Kalidas is a Shakespeare of India. Just now we have read the Shakespeare it will be. Okay, so cut A and write the. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. She is a elegant lady, children. Elegant is giving vowel sound. So cut A and write an elegant lady. Now, number 9. He is an only child of his parents. We are talking about only child, children. Some particular thing, okay, particular person. So he is the only child of his parents. Did you keep the key of our main gate safely, children? So do you keep the key of the? main gate safely. So cut A and write the. Let us see the next one. We have okay. So the book exercise is over, children. I hope you all have understood. That's all for today. Thank you.